And a good supervisor should is a strong word, but need to be able to identify those needs within the therapist. You know, as a supervisor, if I'm stuck with a supervisee, I need to check it out. I need to identify that perhaps there's something that I'm not getting right with my supervisee. And maybe the supervisee needs to be referred to a specialist, for example. For example, if I don't work much with children, I may not be the right supervisee to supervise a therapist who wants to work with children. So I need to refer them on then.
And I mean, I know we're not breaking any confidentialities, I know certainly Charles and I have shared supervisees because they came to us because we have different skills, different knowledge. And I think it's very relevant that you can go and see the supervisor that you want to go and see.